Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna do a drawstring ponytail, straight drawstring ponytail. But before that, remember to like, share, subscribe. If you're new to the family, please do that. So I'm gonna show you what we have. I have our hair clips here, hair clips. I also have mannequin head. And I also have this drawstring cap. Let me make sure I see I put it in the whole frame. So it already has the drawstring. It already comes pre-made. If you want me to show you how to make this, you comment down below in the comment section and I will do just that. So this is our pins which are going to go here and here. Guys, first things first, we're going to sew on the pins onto the drawstring. So what I do first is to fold the cap into two. I don't know if you guys can see me. To fold the cap into two so I would know where I can place the pins. So just pinch that place and place my hand, and then we're going to sew the pins right there. Guys, for sewing I'm actually using yarns to sew so that you can see the thread, because yarns are bigger. You can use a smaller thread so you can actually see what I am doing. So I'm just sewing over and under, just regular sewing. I hope you can, I'm trying to make sure you can really see what I'm doing. So you just sew it over and under, as if you are hemming, kind of. So it's gonna be like that. Looks very seamless and looks like the hair is emanating from the neck. So when you finish sewing it, this is what it should look like. Guys, can see that I use yarn so that the camera can pick it up, and also it can blend in seamless. You can just use fire to blend that. But that is our drawstring ready. Just put this on that mannequin there. So for the hair, we're going to use jumbo braids in the color, can you see that? In the color 1B. So this is a Papua New Guinean hair. So yeah, made in Papua New Guinea. So we're going to use this. I like the texture of this hair because it has a natural texture to it, just like that. This is what the pin looks like when you buy it. I believe you have this from wherever you are. So this is what the pins look like. So like I said earlier, that's our hair. We're gonna get it out of the pack. It comes with this nice, guys, I don't know if you can see, it has this human hair texture. So I'm not going to like cut or shred or whatever. We're using it like that. So guys, you put the pin through, you put the hair, you close the lash hook, you turn it, you pull the pin through with the hair, you have that loop. So guys, along the line I had to change my pin to this very, I don't know if you can see, tiny pin, because the other one was kind of hard to pass through. So make sure you find a very small pin like this, okay?
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never never change, no way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. When I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. I am your slave, I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. When a heart gives way, then a king can change. You rule the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave, I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. She reigns in Knoxville, reigns in California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She reigns in Knoxville, California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning, 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 she be reigning. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine, and her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen.
But you can trim if you want to. Just trim.
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. When I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. I am your slave.
So guys, here we have our very own drawstring ponytail made by yours truly. You can see it's super full. Use only one pack of kanekalon virgin hair. That is what it says in the pack. And you see that hair, it is so full, so full, no space at all. So guys, that brings you to the end of our video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave just comment if you want to see this in other colors or in other coil patterns, like for example kinky straight, coily. Just suggest down below and we'll be sure to do it for you. With that being said, bye bye.
Stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave.